Good day guys, welcome to Maths is Made Easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be solving 3 questions on how to divide decimals by a whole number. Make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. Alright, so question number 1, what we have is 94.5 divided by 5. Alright guys, so when we divide decimals by a whole number, every step is the same except the decimal part. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and start solving this. So let's see how many times does 5 go in 9. So we know that 5 times 1 will give us 5, right guys. 9 minus 5 is 4, and then I'm going to drag this 4 down. Now we have 44. 5 times 8 will give us 40. 44 minus 40 will give us 4. Now here's where the decimal part comes into action. Now what we see here in the quotient, after this we have a decimal, right? Before we pull down the 5, we have a decimal. So we are going to put the decimal in the quotient and then drag down the 5. Alright guys, so we drag down the 5. And 5 times 9 is 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. Therefore, 94.5 divided by 5 is 18.9. Alright guys. Now let's go to question number 2. So 1 cannot go in 3, so I'm going to put a 0. And we know that 3 times 3 is 9. So we're going to put a 9 right here. 10 minus 9 is going to give us 1. Right guys, then I'm going to drag down the 4. Now 3 times 4 will give us 12. 14 minus 12 will give us 2, right guys. And in that quotient, as similar to the last question, we have a decimal, so we are going to put the decimal right here, and I am going to drag down the 1. Alright guys, and we see that 3 times 7 is 21. And 21 minus 21 is 0. Alright guys, now let's go to the last question. Now again, 2 times 0 will give us 1. 2 times 5 will give us 10, right? 10 minus 10 is 0. Now in the quotient we see after 5 we got to put a decimal right here, and then we are going to drag down the 2, right guys? Now 2 times 1 will give us 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And finally, I'm going to drag down the final 6. And we know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Alright guys, and that is how we would divide decimals by a whole number. Now if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.